Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install TikTok app on your Mac in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking on the Safari icon in your dock or by opening Spotlight Search. To open Spotlight, either press Command plus space on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then, type Safari and hit Enter to launch it. Once Safari is open, go to TikTok.com. Now, at the top of your screen, click File in the menu bar and select Add to Dock. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to rename it if you want. I'll leave it as TikTok. After clicking Add, you'll see the TikTok icon appear in your dock. Now, here's the cool part. When you click on the TikTok icon in your dock, it opens in a separate app-like interface, completely independent of Safari. Even if you close Safari, TikTok will still remain open as a standalone app. To test it, I'll quit Safari now, and as you can see, TikTok is still running. If you're using an older version of macOS and don't see the Add to Dock option, don't worry. I'll leave a link in the description with an alternative method to install the TikTok app. And that's it. You now have TikTok installed on your Mac as a standalone app. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to leave a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.